Introducing version 1.8.27 of Closed Caption Creator. In our October release, we've added a number of new features catering to the broadcast and media industry. Pro and enterprise users can now export caption files containing multiple languages. Format support includes MCC, SCC, and AAF. We've also introduced the option to embed extended data services, such as vChip and program information in the output. The new Manual QC panel has been added to the QuickTools drawer. This can be used as a scratchpad to provide notes and feedback to other users. QC reports can be exported as spreadsheet documents for use in programs such as Excel or Sheets. Finally, we're working on a new API for Closed Caption Creator that will be publicly available to pro and enterprise users. You will find the new API Key Manager in the Options window. Here you can create, edit, and delete keys for Closed Caption Creator. To start, this API will be very basic, but will expand to offer even more functionality to users. In the example we're showing on screen, we register a work order in a folder in the Storage Explorer. Users can then navigate to that folder and see the work order that's been saved using the API. Thank you again to all of our users. We appreciate your continued support over the past month. Please upgrade today by visiting www.closedcaptioncreator.com.